What is up, guys? Space Monk here, and today you want to learn throat bass. So, first thing I got to say about this, a lot of people are doing throat bass, like Fat Albert. No, don't ever do Fat Albert, please, for the sake of all of our ears. Secondly, to do throat bass, you're really going to want to get angry and just push your voice like it won't start that low, it'll start up higher. You just have to push like do a whisper and throw your voice into it with a lot of pressure, like you're really angry. And then hollow your mouth and do all the other tricks. And lower it and all that. There's also that sound, but we won't go into that here. But yeah, throat bass, don't do Fat Albert, and make sure to always get it really clean. Codfish didn't win GBB 2019 because his throat bass had some phlegm in it or something, and he didn't have it real clean. You can even do like the Reap Swan bass by putting curling your tongue underneath. I got that from Codfish, like so just work on it like this. But at first it'll have to sound like until you can push hard enough to break through. And don't do Fat Albert bass. Peace. Sky's blue.